and ensure ratings paid on time. Okay, so we'll scroll down here. Okay, and we'll get to this place. Okay, so we want to add these two coins, which is Alloggio Coin and Alloggio Property Token 1. So agree and proceed. Now the next step is to connect wallet. So I'm going to connect wallet to my Telegram wallet, which is my TON space. Okay, I'm going to approve the connection. So connect. All right, so going back to stone.fi. Okay, we'll go back to Alloggio Coin. Let's see if it connected. All right, so it's connected. You can see here, if you click here, you can see that the wallet connected. All right, okay, connected. So $2 ton in the account. All right, so we're going to buy let's say 1,000, okay, of this property. This is for demonstration purpose to show you guys. Okay, so we're going to buy 1,000. Okay, so 1,000 is going to give us 0.3788 Alloggio Property Token 1. So click swap. All right, scroll down. Okay, confirm and swap. So here I'm going to authorize it in my Telegram wallet. I'm going to do another video on how to buy using using TON Keeper. Okay, so confirm. So I have to approve. Okay, approved. So transaction is approved. Okay, I have to go back to here and wait. Okay, all right, so transaction is executing. Updating balance. Okay, so you can see I've been debited from my Alloggio Coin wallet, which had 10,641 Alloggio Coin. Okay, so and I just received my my Alloggio Property Token 1 property token. So right now I own 0.37885. Okay, so there you have it, guys. There you have it. This is the property token. Okay, this is how you use Alloggio Coin to buy the Alloggio Property Token 1 tokens. Okay, and this is how you easily invest in real estate thanks to Alloggio Coin. Okay, easy as ABCD. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section of this video. My contact is anywhere in this video. You can inbox me, okay, and learn how you can easily buy and own property tokens of Alloggio Coin. So I'll see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.